So with the latest update on CapCut, a lot of features are gone under the umbrella of Pro, but we can still add it at least on a basic level in a free version. So let's see first what we have in a free version. I will open my project. The most notable change come under the audio section. If we go in audio, you will see that the only basic option is available in a free version. Everything else, like the reduced noise or enhanced voice, you will have to buy Pro. At least we can still select and play with the option. At the time of export, it will show these message that you are using the Pro options and you will have to join the Pro. Back to the effect, in an audio section where we have the music and sound effects, most of the music migrated for the Pro users. You will see the Pro icon over here. Same goes for text. Currently this is the default text, which is on a basic level, it's okay. But once we select the text and go to the animation tab, it still have few free animation available, but most of them are for only Pro users. You will see that the Pro icon is dominated everywhere. Even in a caption, the one option is for a Pro user, that is a transcript. If we click on over here, it will show us the transcript of this specific part, this specific strip. It shows like that. So with the help of this transcript, we can easily delete the pauses, repeat and other stuff. But for that, you will have to be a Pro user. If I click on a delete button, it will automatically show me this ad to go for Pro. So it's time to join the CapCut Pro. So with that, it's unlock all the Pro features and unlock the Pro materials. Plus it's give me the 100 GB cloud space for the storage. And the cost is 1,900 rupees, which is equivalent to almost $6.7. So once we have the Pro version, we can try everything which are not available for the free user. Like you will see that there is AI movement over here. This is the recently added option. For example, we want to have some zoom in or dynamic effect. I will add that. It will take some time in the processing. And after that, you will see that it has added the effect. Even it is highlighted over here. So you will see the shakiness in a camera, which give us the feeling of walk. You can say that the person who has holding the camera is actually walking and recording. And also few more here. So next option is transcript. I have already added these part, but if you want to use the transcript over here, with the help of these transcript, it allow us to delete the specific section by just selecting here. For example, I want to delete this section which is over here. So I will select the word and click on delete. That will automatically delete it from here. So that option is really cool in a CapCut. Furthermore, if I want to add some animation on my text, I will go here in animation tab and there are some Pro animation available. I will click on that and increase the duration. So you will see that there is the effect. So let's try it with the hearts. We'll click on that and remove the background. Actually, the yellowish background is not looking good. Yeah, and increase the duration. So it will look like that. So that is all for this short video. If you have any question regarding the CapCut, feel free to ask me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.